In this class, I explained how to obtain median through Oziv curve. This is one of the important purpose of Oziv curve. First of all, we have to draw less than Oziv and more than Oziv curves. So usually which will be obtained graphically in this fashion. For example, this is the less than Oziv we have obtained. This is what the more than Oziv we obtained. We have obtained from the data. For example, you consider. And now what you have to do to calculate the median after drawing the Oziv curves, less than Oziv and more than Oziv. So this is what, let it be, this is less than Oziv, and this is what, the more than Oziv. And x-axis we have considered class intervals and y-axis cumulative frequencies. Leave the matter. Now come to the part of the median. On y-axis you make the point n by 2. Along the y-axis, first of all, make a point n by 2. Calculate n by 2. For example, n is equal to 100. The n by 2 is equal to 50. 100 divided by 2. So you make the point n by 2. For example, this is existed here. So now draw a line after taking the point capital N by 2. Then draw one particular parallel line to meet Oziv curve. Draw a particular parallel line parallel to the x-axis. Draw a line parallel to the x-axis which is meeting the Oziv curve from this particular point. So from this particular point, start drawing the straight line parallel to x-axis and which is meeting Oziv curve up to which meets Oziv curve. If it meets any particular Oziv curve on the less than O, then you stop. Until and unless it is meeting the Oziv curve, you continue of drawing the straight line. A line from the point n by 2. From this point n by 2, draw one particular line which is parallel to x-axis like this, and for example it meets Oziv curve, meeting the Oziv curve. Then you stop the drawing the line. Up to that point you draw the line. Start the straight line from the point n by 2. From the point n by 2, draw a straight line parallel to x-axis. This is what x-axis and this is what y-axis. Parallel to x-axis and which is meeting the Oziv curve. Okay, right? And thereafter, at which particular point it meets Oziv curve? At a particular point of Oziv curve, it meets this particular straight line meets this line meets Oziv curve. From that point, you draw a perpendicular line to x-axis like this. Draw a perpendicular line to x-axis, which gives the value of median. So whatever the value here exists here, this gives this particular point gives the value of median. This gives the value of the median. This is what the procedure of calculating median through Oziv curve. Is it clear first? Now, this is one kind of procedure. Another procedure, I tell you. Hope it is clear. You have to draw Oziv curve less than Oziv and more than Oziv. And then you have to make a point n by 2 along the y-axis. Make a one particular point n by 2 frequency divided by 2, and then start from this point draw a straight line parallel to x-axis and which meets the Oziv curve, any Oziv curve, either this or both, and the second point. Okay, right? And then from this point draw one particular perpendicular line to the x-axis meeting the x-axis, whichever the point meets the x-axis, and this particular point is called the median. This gives obviously the median of the distribution, given frequency distribution, right? This is what the procedure of obtaining median through Ossiv curve. We have another alternative procedure from the same Ossiv curves. So first of all, draw less than Ossiv and more than Ossiv curves. For example, like this, we have obtained. And now observe, we can easily observe one particular point which intersect both the Ossiv curves, less than Ossiv and more than Ossiv curves. From there you consider, you draw the point which is meeting, which is called intersection point. That is, for example, this is what the intersection point for these two Ossiv curves, less than Ossiv and more than Ossiv curves. After obtaining the intersection point for these Ossiv curves, less than more than Ossiv curves, draw one particular perpendicular line which is meeting the x-axis, like this, and this gives this point gives the median. That's all. This point gives the median. This is procedure number 2. Construct less than Ossiv and more than Ossiv. We can easily observe that it meets one particular intersection point. So for both the lines having one particular, both the curves having one particular intersection point, intersects at a particular point. That is very clear. Whatsoever intersected point, one particular point intersects these two particular curves. From that intersection point, draw a perpendicular line. Draw one perpendicular line which is meeting the x-axis. That value gives on which particular value of the value of x, that is a class intervals or something. The value of x which gives the value of median, at which this particular perpendicular line meets. Hope you understand. This is what it gives median. This is what the calculation of median or obtaining median through Ossiv curves. Thank you.